CodeAnt AI. Today we are giving code security and compliance product demo. Features include static application security testing, infrastructure as code security, third-party dependency analysis, secret scanning, HIPAA and SOC 2 compliance checks, and pull request security review. Let's dive in and see it in action. I'm logged into app.codeant AI, our platform's main interface. Here I can connect to repositories from GitHub, Bitbucket, or GitLab. Once logged in, I can view all repositories within my organization and select any one to analyze. On selecting a repository, I get an immediate overview of its health metrics. I can also switch branches to locate security issues across different branches. Here on the main branch, I have detected 95 security vulnerabilities. By clicking in, I see all issues organized by categories, such as OWASP Top 10 and CWE Top 25. Each issue displays its likelihood of exploitation, helping prioritize based on severity. Every issue provides a detailed description, severity level, confidence score, OWASP and CWE standards, alongside the flagged code versus recommended fixes. Clicking View shows the precise issue and context. From here, I can create a Jira ticket to manage the issue resolution directly. The best part is that each issue includes insights on impact and remediation steps, making it easy to assess and address vulnerabilities. Next, we'll explore secret detection. CodeAnt scans the entire repository to locate exposed secrets. For each exposed secret, I see the confidence score and exact line number, and I can click to view the specific secret. This ensures no sensitive information is left in the code. We then move to infrastructure analysis. Here, we scan configuration files across Docker, Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes Helm charts, and AWS CloudFormation templates, identifying and displaying all detected infrastructure vulnerabilities. Here I see the issues listed, and I can click on any to view a detailed description. Initially, the affected code isn't displayed, but once I expand the issue and scroll down, the specific flagged code is highlighted for easy review. For instance, this queue isn't encrypted. Clicking View on GitHub lets me access the exact issue and start fixing it right away. One useful feature we've added to most searches is the ability to include or exclude specific files. For example, if you want to skip test files or Terraform scripts, you can set them to be excluded before starting the scan. Next up is SCA, Software Composition Analysis. Here we scan over 1 million third-party dependencies daily to identify any compromised packages or libraries present in your code. Each issue shows its severity, a description, a CVSS score, common vulnerability scoring system, and remediation guidance, with links to the National Vulnerability Database for further details. Now let's dive into compliance. Here we have infrastructure and end-of-life scans, connecting directly to your cloud environments like AWS, GCP, and Azure to thoroughly scan each infrastructure component. Let's click on one of the scans. CodeAnt aligns strongly with compliance standards such as SOC 2, HIPAA, and others. You'll see a compliance filter. Selecting HIPAA will display all relevant HIPAA standards and any areas of non-compliance across your infrastructure. For instance, if my DynamoDB lacks point-in-time recovery, I'll receive a clear description of this issue, along with any additional standards like GDPR or PCI DSS that may also be affected. Each non-compliant resource lists the exact Amazon resource names. You can click to view them directly on AWS, create Jira tickets, and manage them from one place. Archived issues appear at the bottom, sorted from high to low priority for easy reference. You can also create bulk Jira tickets and assign them to your SecOps team for efficient tracking and resolution. Next, we will show how you can control the security issues displayed across 30+ programming languages. You can select a language from the menu, for example Python, and then click on Security Hotspots to see all default-enabled security hotspots for that language. You can customize this view by adjusting visibility if there are issues you don't want to see. You can also change severity levels and view examples of bad code versus good code. The same applies to vulnerabilities, where you can view and prioritize issues categorized as major, minor, or critical, all pre-configured by the platform. Finally, Let's look at how CodeAnt AI identifies security vulnerabilities with every code commit by integrating directly into pull requests on GitHub, Bitbucket, and GitLab. Let's open a pull request to see it in action. At the bottom, you'll find infrastructure scan results that highlight any critical issues. With each commit, we check the infrastructure setup and flags any failed scans within the pull request, prompting developers to take immediate action. We also detect exposed secrets within the pull request and list them for easy review. Each issue includes an explanation of its importance, helping developers understand the problem, learn from it, and avoid similar issues in the future. Critical issues, like exposed secrets, are flagged immediately so they can be resolved promptly. By applying all your configured settings to pull requests, CodeAnt AI ensures that no insecure code slips through. And that's a detailed code security and compliance product demo. Thank you.